you want to lose weight? There's a perfect solution for the seemingly unsolvable questions. Biospace. With the continuing increase in standard of living, the focus on quality of life has amplified in recent times. In particular, obesity is a health issue featured in the mass media that has been warranting more attention than ever before. More and more people are coming to realize that obesity is at the root of all habitual illnesses, and because of this, treatment is on the rise. Biospace's body composition analyzer, InBody, stands at the center of this anti-obesity movement. Biospace. Let's start to look deeper into this company. Biospace is a leader company in body composition analyzing machine market. It has dominated the market with its excellent technology. It opens the way in world market as well as Korean one with its own brand called InBody. It was established in 1996 and has a headquarters in Seoul. It has a laboratory in Seongnam and factory in Cheonan. It has built up a network for agents in about 60 countries, running local subsidiaries in core areas including the US, Japan, China and EU. Biospace's management philosophy is healthcare and human care.
Actually, I wanted to start in the States if it wasn't for my professor. When I tried to enter the Korean market asking related companies to cooperate in assembling the body composition analyzer, all declined because no one understood the idea. The whole picture was in my head, but first of all, I needed assets and engineering to build. In a year and a half, InBody was born, and this memorable event brought us 18 million won, rising into a premium product compared to the one manufactured by Japan.
Biospace's InBody, which is currently the world's greatest body composition analyzer that uses the 8-point tactile electrode method, offers the people of today the simplest, most accurate, and easy-to-use device that is dominating the market up to the minute. Its target market is currently hospitals, clinics, gyms, spas, and all other health-related institutions, making its only flaw bringing limited accessibility due to its high pricings for each product. However, Biospace continues to grow with an expectation of more than 30 million won in the year 2015 since its revenue from 2012 through its continuous R&D of developing a household portable scale, making InBody available to everyone anywhere in the world. The only market competitor Biospace has to consider would be a precision electronic scale corporation known as Tanida, which is headquartered in Japan, that offers portable bioelectric impedance analysis scales, monitors, all throughout the world with a market share of 50% domestically. In the Cheonan plant, they have a special department named the Kim Gu-hyun Test Lab. This is the place where you do the final test before mass producing. Kim Gu-hyun is the actual person who is famous for thorough inspection. Once a new product is developed, it has to pass a test from the Kim Gu-hyun lab before the product is manufactured. Normally, most of the products are not easily accepted by her. According to the CEO, Ja Ki-shul, Kim Gu-hyun's test is more strict than receiving it from the permission of medical appliance and FDA permission. Sometimes it takes up to 6 months before the product can be sold because of going through 50,000 trials. Kim Gu-hyun, who majored in industrial engineering, applied for the exterior part of machine testing team, and the company made a special department named after her to make a quality system based on her effort and hard work. Our human body consists of arm, leg, and trunk. 50% of total body weight consists of trunk, so ability to measure an accurate value of the trunk's impedance is vital to providing accurate body composition. InBody technology is different than that used in other BIA devices. It provides a complete snapshot of which body parts need improvement. This is possible for InBody technology as it relies on direct measurement and can measure the body in a segmental fashion, is capable of accurately measuring impedance in the trunk region, uses multiple frequencies and does not need to use statistical data in calculating values, and lastly evaluates a wide range of body types, from extremely obese, to elderly, to athletic. Biospace is not only continuously investing in body composition analyzing research, but also developing extra services such as providing nutrition and exercise guide software, Looking Body. They also conduct clinical research on human beings and develop software for body composition analysis. Biospace's bioengineering R&D center has concentrated on clinical research based on the exceptional understanding of bioengineering. Their business started to grow in extremely fast speed with a lot of advertising through exhibition and indirect advertising. Also, Biospace do annual product training program for overseas distributors, which will help foreign market approach better sales strategy. With their organized program advertising, they are expecting to see the sales grow. According to Bloomberg Business Week, Biospace has produced revenue of $36 million in 2013. The company's revenue has been a rise since 2011 and is projected to do so in the near future. Year over year, the company has been able to reduce the percentage of sales devoted to selling, general, and administrative costs. There is little financial risk as the company holds a substantial amount of cash with little or no debt. However, accounts receivables are among the industry's worst with 36.28 days worth of sales outstanding, meaning revenues are not being collected in an efficient manner. Inventories are well managed, as the inventory processing period is typical for the industry, at 144.14 days.
Our business currently aims at the home market. To meet home-based users, there are many obstacles. It should be cheaper, easier to operate, and more high quality.
Impossible defects of the product. For businesses that are doing well, price shouldn't be an issue for their customers. However, with Biospace, the price for the different types of InBody product is relatively high for personal purchase. For example, InBody 230, which is described to be fast, easy, and portable, costs $5,500. This is a limit for individual usage. Nonetheless, the business is mostly oriented to organizations and facilities. For personal users, the body composition analysis components may be difficult to understand. The analysis is so detailed with technical terms that may not seem obvious to users. Some of these components are skeletal muscle mass, waist-hip ratio, body mass index, etc. Moreover, the practicability of the product is questionable. InBody cannot be easily carried around, even though InBody 230 is said to be portable with 3-step folding function. From the consumer standpoint, it's not easy to move around with a product that weighs 14.5 kilograms in size. Above that, the required accessories are also expensive as well. In order for the machine to operate effectively, a printer, which costs $250, result sheet $75, and a carrying bag $175 must be purchased. In competitors' analysis, as Biospace continues to dominate the market with its innovative 8-point tactile electrode method through their own monster apparatus, less and less competitors are able to compete against this tech sensation with their product lines, as the company holds all patents to its product. However, one weakness Biospace still remains is that its products are unaffordable for the average personal use. Thus, its closest competitor, a corporation called Tanida, that sells precision electronic scales for individuals as well as for household use, holds a market dominance of up to 50% domestically, and with 6 sister companies across the globe, aside from their HQ in Japan, run the show with its personal portable assets all over the world. Having up to 27 products to its line in 3 different types, Tanida continues to exist as a threat to Biospace unless Biospace penetrates the market with more individual-based products that will help each individual monitor their own health for a better balanced diet, which Biospace sufficiently has potential in. Areas of improvement, higher price that is reachable is suggested. They should maintain the price because they want to improve the value of product when there is competition, and if possible, make customers have the accessories together for free with the machine when purchased. It's waste of papers if you print out result sheet. They can send the result to iPad directly and see the history of body status in organized form. They don't have to flip the papers in this way. It'd be a lot better if you could see what body part you have to work on with the image shown, not words. If the words are expressed in simpler 3D illustration, people can understand easily. For those who have difficulty getting the meaning of the technology used in the result sheet, simple explanation of terminology on the side would be a big help. They should make the product smaller, redesign it, and reduce the weight of product. At the same time, they have to maintain the same quality. They could perhaps make a watch that measures the impedance of your body 24 hours.